Hey, do you want to start a YouTube channel and you're looking for the fastest growing and most profitable niches on YouTube? In this video, I'll be sharing with you 21 channel niches or ideas that will be blowing up in the coming year. I would also be showing you channels that are doing very well in these niches and how much money they are making from AdSense. If you're ready for this, then let's go. Hello and welcome. My name is Tope Aghomatse. If you're new here and you want to learn how to grow your YouTube channel, how to use YouTube to grow your personal brand or business, or generally learn stuff about YouTube, then start now by subscribing and clicking on that bell so you don't miss anything. Now, without further ado, let's get into the topic. In no particular order, I'll be taking you through the 21 channel ideas or niches that will be blowing up in the coming year. And like I said, I'm going to be showing you channels that are doing really well and also how much money they are making. So you want to sit tight and let's dive right in. So number one is personal finance. Now this includes investing, budgeting and all the likes. And the channel I want us to check out here is Marco Whiteboard Finance. You can see his videos are all about what you do with your finances, where to invest, and all of that. The statistics of this channel says it gains about 9,000 subscribers every month. And in the last month, it has gained over 600,000 views. Now, this is an indication of a lot of interest in this topic. Now, if you go to Social Blade to check how much this channel is possibly making from AdSense, we'll see here that monthly it makes between $152 to $2,400 monthly from AdSense. And this is good for passive income. Now let's go to number two. Number two is how to make money. Now this is not the same as personal finance. This second niche talks more about opportunities than your personal habits, as it were. Examples of channels like this are channels that talk about Forex, network marketing, affiliate marketing, drop shipping and all that stuff. How to make money from this website, that website. Considering the global economic state now, everybody's antenna is up. They want to know how to make more money. And so if you're a channel that is giving people information about stuff like this, you are in a good place. Now I'm going to show you an example here, and this channel is called Investor. So here you can see that he is talking more about where to make money from, what platform you're making money from and stuff like that. And this guy has over 300,000 subscribers. Now let's look at his statistics. You can see here that this guy has gained over 30,000 subscribers in the last 28 days. That's a lot of subscribers. And you can see here that it has about 1.4 million views in the last 28 days. That shows you that there's a lot of interest in this niche. Okay, Social Blade says this channel makes between $367 to $5,900 every month, and that is huge. So now let's go to number three. Number three is food. Of course, we all eat and we eat every day. So if you know how to create content around food, you are also in a good place. Of course, I don't recommend that you should talk about everything food. You should have a focus. So if you're talking about vegan diet or pastries, you need to have some kind of focus, and that's very critical. Now I want to show you this channel called The Serious Fitness. This channel has over 1.4 million subscribers. That is a huge family right there. And you can see he's talking about diet. And then if you can see, everything here is weight loss, weight loss, weight loss, weight loss, weight loss. So there's focus, right? This channel has gained 30,000 subscribers in the last 28 days. That is a lot of traffic and over 4.6 million views in the last 28 days. So there's a lot of interest in this niche. On a monthly basis, this channel makes between $1,000 to $18.4 thousand in passive income from AdSense. That is a lot of money right there. Now let's go to number four, the health and wellness niche. Speaking of dental health, sexual health, fertility and all the likes, this is a good niche because people are always finding ways to improve their health. Let's look at this channel called Dr. Sam Bailey. You can see here she's talking about iron, boosting your immunity and all of that. She has gained 7,000 subscribers in the last 28 days and she's getting well over 600,000 views every month. Okay, so this is a solid niche. Now to number five, fitness and weight loss. Okay, so this is also related to health, but this is focused more on exercising. Here I want us to look at Fitness Bender. Now this is an amazing channel. This channel has got over 6 million subscribers. They definitely have got something going on here, and you can see it's all about the exercises. This channel has gained over 20,000 subscribers in the last 28 days and over 8 million views in the last 28 days. That is huge. This channel makes between $2,000 to $32.8 thousand every month from YouTube AdSense. Now let's go to number 6. We have self-care niche. We're talking about healthcare, skincare, makeup, and all the likes. And then here we want to look at this channel called Brad Mondo. This guy has got over 6 million subscribers, an amazing channel. He's focused on hair care. This guy has grown by 190,000 subscribers in the last 28 days. Speaking of demand, and over 34 million views in the last 28 days. So this is a great niche. This channel makes between $8,000 to $137,000 every month. And then now for number 7, we have productivity and mental health. These are channels that talk about being organized, time consciousness, planning, and all the likes. And then I want us to look at the channel called Tope Think. Tope Think has 1.7 million subscribers. And then you can see here that is all about the mindset, how to avoid toxic people, cure to laziness, and all of that, and mastering your emotions. This channel has gained over 60,000 subscribers in the last 28 days and over 5.8 million views. Now, Social Blade says this channel makes between $1,500 to $23.5 thousand every month from YouTube AdSense. Okay, so now we're going to number 8, which is organization and cleaning. We have home decor as a good niche in this space, and then we want to look at this channel called Clean My Space. This channel has over 1.6 million subscribers, and here you can see we're talking about decluttering, how to wash your mask, laundry hacks, and all the likes. This channel has gained 20,000 subscribers in the last 28 days and over 2.5 million views. This channel makes between $600 to $10,000 on a monthly basis from YouTube AdSense. Awesome. Now to number 9, crafts. Things like painting, wood turning, sculpting is an amazing niche. These are great channels that help people to learn and also unwind. Okay, I want to show you a channel I particularly love, which is Andy Phillips' channel. This is a channel that's all about wood turning, okay, making beautiful stuff out of wood, and he's got over 1 million subscribers. Okay, he's gained 20,000 subscribers in the last 28 days and over 5 million views. This guy makes between $1,400 to $21,000 every month from AdSense. So this is amazing, right? There's definitely demand for creativity, and if you do know your stuff, you want to bring it to YouTube and blow up. Now we have number 10, which is tech content like video production, computers, sound systems, phones. We have a channel here I like checking as well. His name is Marky Brownlee. This guy has 13 million subscribers. Wow, you can see his kind of content. He's always doing phone reviews, game consoles, cameras, headphones. He has gained 200,000 subscribers in the last 28 days and over 55 million views. So there is demand for tech content. Now let's look at number 11. That's real estate. Okay, and the channel we're going to look at here is Kevin Ward. He's got over 100,000 subscribers, and here you can see he's doing great stuff all around real estate. He gained 2,000 subscribers in the last 28 days and then over 178,000 views. Now Social Blade says this guy makes between $45 to $720 every month in passive income, and that is great. Okay, now we've checked out 11 niches and we have 10 more to go. But before I move to the next one, I want you to hit that like button if you've been getting value so far. Now let's go to number 12, social media education. This is definitely blowing up because a lot of people are beginning to move their businesses, their brands, and everything online, and they need to know how to use social media. So if you're a master of Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, websites, and all that, you are in a good season now, and this is the time to come out and create content. I want to show you this channel by Vanessa Lau. She has almost 400,000 subscribers and her focus is Instagram. She gained 14,000 subscribers in the last 28 days and over 700,000 views. That is a lot of demand. Vanessa makes between $191 to $3,000 in YouTube AdSense revenue every month. Now let's go to number 13, relationships niche, like love, dating, marriage, divorce. Let's look at a channel here called Matthew Buggs. This guy has over 800,000 subscribers and is doing amazing. He gained 12,000 subscribers in the last 28 days and over 1.6 million views. This guy makes between $400 and $6,500 every month from YouTube AdSense. Now number 14, we have the parenting niche, and this is always in demand. With homeschooling increasing, parents are getting to have more face time with their children, and if you have content in this niche, you are needed at this time. Okay, a channel I would love to look at in this space is Dad Verb, and this is more about being a daddy, right? And what do daddies do more? They take their kids out, they buy toys and all. This guy gained 1,800 subscribers in the last 28 days and has gotten over 200,000 views in the same space of time. This guy makes between $64 to $1,000 passive YouTube AdSense income every month. Now let's look at number 15, career niche. If you're a career expert, you want to check this out. Let's look at this channel called Linda Rainian. She has over 700,000 subscribers on her channel, and she's all about career, how to find a job, how to stay productive at work, you know, and all of that. She's gained 11,000 subscribers in the last month and over 700,000 views. She makes between $189 to $3,000 every month on YouTube AdSense. Now let's go to number 16, entrepreneurship, particularly online business. After COVID-19, people are beginning to learn how to use the internet to grow their businesses. So if you are good in helping people build a solid business through online platforms, then you are much in demand this season. The example of a channel I want to look at is Silicon Valley Girl. She's all about business entrepreneurship. She's gained 5,000 subscribers in the last month and over 304,000 views. Passive income from YouTube AdSense is $74 to $1,200 every month. Now let's see the 17th niche, comedy. Of course, if you have content that helps people unwind, you are in demand right now. Okay, and the channel I'd love to check out in this case is one of my favorites, Taoma's Cabin. She has over 300,000 subscribers and statistics shows that she has gained 50,000 subscribers in the last 28 days and over 6 million views. She makes between $1,600 to $26,000 every month. Again, on the relaxation side, we have music, and then I'd like us to check in this case a channel by Hannah Trigwell, and she is a musician. She has over 500,000 subscribers and she has gained 2,000 subscribers in the last 28 days and over 600,000 views. Hannah makes between $159 to $2,600 every month. Now let's move to gaming. Okay, gaming is beginning to get bigger and bigger on YouTube. So if you are great at gaming, you probably want to bring your game on to YouTube. I want us to check this channel called Top 5 Gaming. Now this is a huge channel with over 4.5 million subscribers doing great stuff here. Now, statistics shows here that this channel has gained 130,000 subscribers in the last 28 days and over 50 million views. Wow, this channel makes between $12,000 to $200,000 YouTube AdSense revenue every month. Now, number 20 is the ASMR niche. Google says ASMR means autonomous sensory meridian response and is a relaxing, often sedative sensation that begins in the scalp, moves down the body. I don't know what that means, okay? But whatever it is blowing up. I want to show us a channel in this niche by GB. This lady has 2.8 million subscribers. GB gained 50,000 subscribers in the last 28 days and over 25 million views on her videos. This is solid. She earns between $6,000 to $103,000 every month from YouTube AdSense. Last but not the least, we have the journaling vlogging niche. Vlogging works better if you are well known or if you have a unique lifestyle. And then I want to show us an example of a successful channel, and that's It's Judy's Life. She vlogs every single day about her family. She has 1.7 million subscribers. She's gained 10,000 subscribers in the last 28 days and over 7 million views. She makes between $1,800 and $29,000 every month. Now, if what you're looking for are channel ideas that don't require you showing your face in your videos or even adding your voice to your videos, you want to check the video up here or in the description below, where I talked about another 21 ideas for YouTube that don't require your face or your voice. I hope this inspires you to create your channel very soon. I'll see you at the top, and until then, keep showing up and keep crushing it. Bye.